Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Hamocrazista. Please guys support me and my channel as it takes a lot of efforts to make these videos. So, let's get started. And, I suppose you are one of those guys who read an article online about people who are self-made millionaires but doing a task that is considered very simple, that is blogging. But it actually takes a lot of efforts and hard work to do that. But that is not our topic, so let's just move to our main topic. You are here to make a website for free without spending a dime on it. That is truly possible, but a thing to be noted is that the size of website can't exceed 5 gigs by the method I'm telling you in this video. But anyway, let's get going. First of all, open your web browser, in my case Mozilla Firefox. It is strongly recommended to use a PC rather than a mobile phone or tablet. Search for Bittrex24 in the search bar. You can see the link to that site. Click and go to it. Here we are at the site. On the top you can see a link named Login. Click on it, and if you haven't registered for the site, click on link named Create Your Bittrex24 now. After creating, you can log in using those credentials by clicking on Enter Link in Login section. Now you are logged into your account. Now click at the link that replaced, and from the drop-down list, click on the link in blue. Now we're on the page that'll deal with creation and manipulation of web pages of our website. On this screen, click on the button with a big plus sign named New Site.now. You can choose the template of your homepage from the vast free collection, or you can create your page from scratch by selecting blank template. Let us just choose company template right now. Now choose the main color theme of the web page. And on the left you can see the complete preview of your web page template.now. Click on Create button downside. Here we have opened our unmodified web page that is basically just a template right now. Here everything is editable. Here you can edit text, images, add or delete blocks. Let me just show you a small trial. Let me just change this text to my channel name, that is Hamocrazista. And these text also. Here you can edit images also with ease. You can upload an image from the local storage, use Google Images, or choose from a vast collection of royalty-free and also otherwise free images available on Unsplash. Now moving on to top center. These icons can be used to see how the web page would look on different devices, such as PC, tablet, mobile phone. You can also add these free blocks from these vast collection, according to your need and convenience. Moving back to the manipulation page of our web page. Here on top right corner of thumbnail of our homepage, there is a drop-down list of name actions. We'll click on it and click on Configure Site option. We'll see a lot of settings, but we will currently just tweak domain. If you already bought a domain from another site, which you probably didn't, you can use that or use the free domain from the site. It is not actually a proper domain but is actually a subdomain, and that is why it'll always end with Bittrex24.site. And also this subdomain won't help your SEO, but that is not our topic, so let us just move on. Here I'll just name it to Hamocrazista and save it. And again we'll go to Actions drop-down list and click on Publish. Now we can see the status below our homepage is published, but you can always unpublish it. Now in a new tab we'll just enter our website address. And voila. Here we are looking at a single-paged website which was created in just a couple of minutes. You'll get familiar with tools and user interface as we tweak around. It is just very simple. And there is one more thing to keep in mind, that using these subdomains, you won't able to monetize your website using Google AdSense. So, keep supporting and following me for more such informational and also entertainment videos are on their way. So, keep supporting me as it would encourage me to make more videos. Also leave a sweet comment for shout out. And stay tuned. Regards, Hamocrazista.